One GPT, one workflow, 195 videos. AI tools are not complicated. One right GPT can change the game. Watch how I used intro outro GPT, vidIQ GPT and Manas to finish my content plan. What I done is I recorded all raw footage over 195 videos. I used intro outro GPT to create viral hooks and engaging ending for each video. I used vidIQ to get optimized titles, descriptions, and thumbnails. I use Manas to do the vidIQ work. Once I uploaded all my raw data, I got the amazing data related to my whole year of content plan. All the content, all raw data has been organized with Manas AI. Now I can use this Excel sheet to schedule my daily content, my daily YouTube content. That's changed the game. So welcome to day number 27 of 30 days cash injection challenge. Today we will discuss all the workflow related to content creation, from intro outro addition to organizing all the data in Excel sheet. Okay, so today is the day of all the automations and AI agent setup, how we do that. But what is the core thing that we do here, okay, differently? If you see here, okay, let's zoom in to day number 27. So if you see here, there is a daily workflow for day number 27. What I do is, I have already recorded what are the things that I have done in 30 days cash injection challenge. There are almost 195, more than 250 videos, okay, for example. Now so it is very overwhelming which video to post first, what to post first, and I add all videos intro and outro. What is that intro and outro? Intro is the hook part that engages the audience to keep watching. Alex Harmonzi says that he spends almost 80% of time in first 20 seconds of the video. So that is the way we do that. Okay, intro outro GPT that helps you to do that. It's a GPT. You can just click in and it will open this GPT. Okay, so what does it do? It gives us 5 viral hooks that amazes everyone. So if you check out this video, this is the video where you can add intro and outro.
So we 5 viral hooks that the blue just to check it out and to next through things. Yeah.
You can see it has generated the 5 viral hooks. So this is the game changer, and I say the script with this viral hooks. Okay, 5 viral hooks based on the topics and bonus shorts video. So that changes the game. Okay, this script automatically becomes improved. Okay, so this I create intro and outro, and once I do that, I put in create thumbnails, all these things with vidIQ GPT. Okay, so this vidIQ GPT. So these are the, whenever I paste the transcript, I get you see video topics, and from this video topics I get my all the descriptions, thumbnails, SEO optimized. Okay, so I choose from them, I reprompt them, and I create thumbnail. As you can see, thumbnail design, then I design it in Canva. All these things are there. And once you see this part here, I just design WhatsApp messages also with that. Okay, so I do all these things in my YouTube videos. So all the process, it's explained here. I upload the timings, and from starting to end process is explained, and you schedule it as a premiere also. All these things from starting to end with the help of vidIQ, I do that. So if you see the mind map of this one, okay, so there is a way we add intro outro GPT, and we use this vidIQ to do that. Okay, so what I done with the help of AI agent is, this is my daily workflow, and I am having list of 195 plus videos around that. Okay, so if you see, this is the 195. If you click here, you will open how I use Manas. This is the Manas, and this is the final report I got. If you see here, all my 195 videos are scheduled, and so you can see here date wise it has given me schedule, and if you see wherever I posted the things, and it has given me all the categories, video names, all titles, description. Okay, it has made my job very easy. Subtitles, thumbnail badge, if you see here, it has given me everything from title to thumbnail badge, and it's all done. Okay, if you see this summary also, it has given me 195, all these things, and it's done with Manas. Okay, so you see how much time it has saved me. Otherwise it would be and it has given me all the strategies related to how I can do faster editing, how I can save the time. I got very much insights how I can do batch editing in Clipchamp. That was a thing, and here is the workflow where I have done this command. So this is Manas because I was 100%. As you can see here, I haven't done anything fancy here. What I just talked it like a human. Give me like this. He has given me some advanced strategy. I couldn't understand it. Then I said, give me a simple one that I can implement, and it give me the final report that I want. So I want this output. So you have to be very clear with what output you want, and you exactly say that output. Okay, whatever input you give, the output what you want, in which format you want, just say that. And that's the thing. So there are fancy tools like N8N and all these things are there. But until you do not know your daily workflow, what do you do daily? What is you taking your time? So you cannot do the things. Okay, so if you know these things, so give Manas your daily workflow and tell create all the simple workflow here. So there is a Manas Android app also. You don't know, install that. From that I do the talking also. And this way you just give it to Manas any data. So I have given you this 195. It's a huge task, but it has made this task very easier for me to do that. So I will be the consistent. And once you know everything, you know how to add intro, outro, video, again, you know the process. You will just have to distribute it to different platforms. So there is email, WhatsApp, LinkedIn post, social media post, all these things we have covered in Content Solar System, where we can distribute it to all these things. And here inside the email, if I go here, I do A/B testing of this subject line. So how you can do that? So I have generated 4 subject line here, and this subject line I put it inside the automation path A, B, C, and inside this automation I set it a drip content. I have added the contact here. Once I added this contact here, you see the reports, all these reports has been generated, and this is the report I got. Yeah, this subject line has performed well, its open rate is highest. So like this you can have your workflows. Okay, so you optimize everything. Okay, so optimize everything with help of our workflows. Okay, so we have the system and we can automatically send them to DM also. Okay, those people who have replied in our Instagram, they are in our conversation. We just copy paste the message, how we do with WhatsApp also. So this is the WhatsApp content strategy where we have generated the variants. We distribute the content free from our WA center. Okay, so this is the way you do that. So there is an infinite possibilities here that you can do here. So basically, what are the things you need? Okay, so let systems do the selling and automate everything that possible for next 30 days. Okay, so basically what I have done is I have created my plan and I will automate that produce. So that video creation process time is left automatically. It is giving me views, reach, everything. Okay, so I built the follow-up engine. My system does the follow-up. Whenever someone signs up to my form, they get the follow-ups, 3 email sequences, the nurture sequences. And what I have done is I have uploaded the past YouTube content, what past contents are there, viral videos, ideas by vidIQ. Okay, so we have seen that vidIQ, how we do that, and intro and outro to this GPT. Okay, so we have used mobile app also to do that intro and outro addition. We do editing, we generate voiceover, we add 30 to 70 second shorts works well, we distribute it to all the platforms. Okay, then AI agent, simple workflow. Okay, whatever you are doing in daily basis, give that task to Manas and it will simplify that. Yeah, you can reduce, you can use these tools and that tools. So there are 90,000 tools are in the market. Okay, and if you are stuck in this shiny object syndrome, yeah, this is DeepSeek is coming, that is coming. Okay, all the big companies are in the war of AI. Okay, and every day new things are being launched. So how you should know what is the benefit and how you can simplify your workflow. You have to learn the automation that is related to your business, not any kind of fancy object. Yeah, somebody has released a new video on N8N and you are wasting your time watching that. It's not relevant for you because that kind of workflow is automatically scheduling a shit type of content. Here we have the foundation type. Until I discover the way I schedule it better automatically with N8N, with this human type of content, I am not going to go with N8N automation. This is my goal. Okay, my goal is humanized type of content with AI. In this world of AI, how we can humanize everything. So how we can do that? So that is the way. Everything I do here in this 30 days was to have a human touch, personalized, hyper personalization, all these things inside there. So that kind of things are there. Okay, popular metrical, any type of schedulers you can use. Schedule, forget, and let it run. The system do the work. So I have some time now. I have more time to do the prospecting. I'm not engaged in this kind of activity of recording videos for all these things. In this challenge I have recorded many. During my learning stage I recorded everything, and I put it in a way so that I can give it to someone, created an SOP around that, so they can just automate the system. I can teach them also if they feel okay, it may not be as perfect as that, but I can just ask for feedback and I can improve that. So that is way you just get it everything. Okay, so tomorrow we will see SOPs around that, how we have created an SOPs, and that SOPs has, we can just created a digital clone, and digital clone with the help of our your virtual assistant or any assistant, any trainee, you can just give them this SOP, train them. Okay, ask them, yeah, what are the things you are stuck, and just train them and remake this training better. So in this way you have replaced yourself in the business. Okay, so your content is doing the game for you, and the thing is that you just focus on what is the most important thing, talking to your target customer. You have more time for that, and the rest of the things that is not necessary will take lesser time. We have short schedule, everything schedule is giving us leads consistent basis, and that is the game which we have created. Okay, now let's summarize day number 27. We have seen how I have used Manas, and I have fed all the data, all the raw data of my 195 video. It has organized the data. So what is the moral behind the story? You don't need to be techie, you need to know what to do daily, and let the system do the rest. Okay, there are many tools in the market, and these tools, there is a war of AI going on between Meta, DeepSeek, all this thing. This is going to benefit us in a long run. Okay, so the content creation game will improve every time. You need to be street smart, you need to know the things, how you do the things, and how you can do it in a better way. So that you need to have a daily workflow, and you can reduce the time of your daily workflow with the help of AI. So if you want to learn more about this type of things, the 30 days cash injection challenge, we do more of this kind of things. We work on the fundamentals. The game is of fundamentals, and in the world of AI, if you have strong fundamental, you can build a strong building. Check the link in description. You will find the link to join this challenge.